Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. I'm going to reiterate my buy on Marathon Oil, MRO. But before I do that, please like and subscribe. That would be very helpful. So if you like what I do, then that would be a way of saying thank you. And with that, let's get into it. So here's Marathon Oil. And here's the big symmetrical triangle that it was about a year and a half in the making, so it's a big pattern. And the price projection based on that is 41.50. And we're currently at 20, let's just call it 26. So the upside potential here is about 60%. And the now that prices have come down another 4 or 5% from where I initiated, your downside risk is about 4%. So this is a similar situation to the US cannabis ETF. As prices go down, as it declines, your reward to risk gets more favorable, and you really need to be adding to your position. So I never go all in on my first position. I buy, and then when it go, I've talked about this before. If it goes down, I buy some more. If it goes up, I sell a little bit. If it goes down, then I buy more than I sold because I'm trying to build my position. So I would say my position right now in Marathon Oil is about 2%. I will I bought today. Maybe it's maybe 2.5%, but I don't think that big. Anyway, I will get this to 3%, and this is a really good reward to risk situation. It doesn't mean it can't break support and stop us out here at, below 25 on a weekly close. But oil and oil stocks have been kind of out of favor recently. They've kind of lost investors, meaning that investors have started to gravitate towards metals and some other things and have kind of lost track of the energy complex, which have been great performers this year. I mean, look at this. This has gone from, I don't know, let's call it 22. It got all the way up to 30. Uh, it's a huge move. So this pullback is normal. And you can see that even on this pullback, the volume's been really light. So it's not like it's anything that is dramatically changing here. So again, I'm reiterating my buy. The reward to risk is something like 15 to 1 right now. Uh, and so this is old. I'm sorry. Oops. I'm sorry. I apologize. This is now up to about 15 to 1, where it was 5.5 to 1, which was really favorable when we first purchased this. So the chart still looks good. It's giving you more opportunity to add, and you want to buy when it's down. So let's take a look at this pullback here and see where we're at. And here we are. So we got this down shift here. And you can see once it got down here in May to its low, it came back up into a bearish rainbow convergence. And it wasn't able to break through, and it retraced back towards the convergence. And that tells you that you're going to get another low, a lower low. And so that's what we got. And today we hit a lower low, and we also have a bullish hammer where prices for the day started at the top. It sold off intraday, but by the end of the day, during the day, it traded down. But by the end of the day, it was back up pretty close to where it began the day. So that shows you that buyers came in on that dip, and this is called a bullish hammer. It could normally is a reversal pattern. So here's a small one down here. Let's see if we have any more here that I can spot for you. That's about, here's one over here. So, I think it suggests that we get some sort of a bounce here. And of course, oil prices are going to have something to do with that. But I think crude oil is also oversold. So uh, this retracement back to the convergence suggested another lower low, and we got that. So I'm a buyer right here. I bought twice today, in the morning, and then I bought just towards the close. Point and figure chart, we still got our bullish trend line intact. And so again, it's just confirming, here's a big consolidation. After this big move up, uh, it's working off where it got far away from its bullish trend line. Instead of coming down to retest the trend line, it's gone sideways. That's a sign of strength. So again, I like the point and figure chart being in agreement with the more subjective charts that I draw. And let's see what else we got here for you. Seasonality is still in our favor. Now, seasonality is just a tendency. It doesn't mean it has to happen. There's always different circumstances uh, in every year, but the tendency is May to show strength, June to show strength, and then some sort of topping position in July. So that's where we're at. And I just wanted to reiterate my buy on MRO, Marathon Oil. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Buy on weakness. Have a great evening.